With Explain Everything, you don't even have to start from scratch. You can insert existing photos or videos, upload files like PowerPoints, PDFs, and documents, insert existing sound, or even browse the internet. You can also record new video and take new pictures as you create your presentations with Explain Everything. Let's take a quick look at the tools available in Explain Everything. The tool on the very top left is the Select tool. When the Select tool is activated, you can manipulate the objects on your page. Below the Select tool is the pen. When you select the pen, you can write on the page. If you hold down the pen icon, you can select from different thicknesses for your pen. Below the pen is the Shapes tool. When you have the Shapes tool selected, you can choose arrows, squares, stars, and lines. Let's take a look at adding an arrow to our page. Then, if you return to the Select tool, you can move the arrow around, and by pinching and rotating, you can move the arrow as well. Under the Shapes tool is the Text tool. When you select the Text tool and tap on the page, you get a text box to type in. Then, when you hit the check mark on the side of the text, you can move the text around. Below the Text tool is the Insert tool. Under Insert is where you add pictures, video, files, and many other things. Below the Insert is the Delete button. If you tap on the Delete key and then select one of your objects, you can quickly delete it from the page. Below the Delete key is the laser pointer. If you select the laser pointer, you can point out things on your page while you are video recording yourself. Below the laser pointer is the Options tool. Here you can arrange objects on the page forward and backward, edit options by grouping, ungrouping, duplicating, copying, pasting, and working with backgrounds and rotations, and lock things in various ways on the screen. This is handy when you're creating presentations, very much like an interactive whiteboard. Below the Options tool is your Undo and Redo. When you tap on it, you get both a backwards and a forwards arrow so that you can undo and redo your latest steps. If you tap on the magnifying glass, you'll get your zoom features, and then you can use your fingers to pinch to zoom in on your objects. And finally, below your Zoom tool is your Presentation Mode tool. This minimizes your toolbar so that only a few tools are available. On the bottom left are your color choices for the theme you selected. You can change the color of your text by simply picking a different color and writing on the screen. Now let's work across the bottom. At the bottom, you have your slides. By tapping on the slides, you can see the presentation, change the template, and delete slides. Next to that, you have your record and play features. Those are pretty standard, so you should remember those. If you tap on the timeline of your video, you will be able to see how long you are and where you are in your video. Next to that, you can choose whether you want to replace recording or mix it. And then you have your share options: image, video, file, and home and save. Take a few minutes to play with all of these tools and see how convenient Explain Everything is. Let me know if you have questions. Good luck.